Here at the Exxon Circle K, and this is a refurbished car wash. The Ryko Softgloss Maxx has been refurbished. I'm going to go ahead and enter the code, and the code is 68666. That's funny because the code has the devil's number.
Thank you.
Perfect. And we're going to wash that. We're going to use that on the Ford Ranger. Alright, watch the donuts, please. Make sure overdrive is off. Here we go. The underbody sprayer is working. And instead of solid red brushes, they're now red and yellow. Stop. Put it in park. And it's bi-foam, so it's pretty much going to be a moderate experience. And it is underway. Alrighty.
Here comes the horizontal spinner.
Yeah, the top brush. Not bad.
What?
It's funny, the brushes were still latched onto the antenna. Now we're going through the rinse cycle. Well, technically, well, it's just a rinse, light rinse, and then Rain-X. Which is a sealant agent right there. And oh, it smells like lemon in here.
Yeah, it smells good.
Perfect. It looks like it's going to be the last rinse pass and the dryers would activate.
Mm-hmm.
Wait. That's right. how well the dryers do in this round. Okay. Odd movement. Timer is broken. Made it look like as if it was raining. I guess the dryer is just blowing water in the wrong direction.
Yeah, it's blowing all the shit out of the bed back onto the truck.
Oh, pardon language, please. And that is it for the car wash.